flyby, lateral, establish, orbit and...
Really? It's about time Chantelle learns how to use the drone.
I don't know what it is about the drone. It's quite a scary thing to me if I break it. Can you imagine the repercussions I'd have from doing it?
Well, I did break it and you didn't be mad at me, so I wouldn't be mad at you.
Okay.
We've come down to a spot you might recognise before, where we car camped. We've come here specifically because there's lots of long grass. In case it does fall out of the sky, for some strange reason, you've got half a chance.
I was going to say, bear in mind there's plenty of water as well,
just
so
don't
you've got
fire
your
the water.
chances there.
Just keep it close and high the water.
Really? What have you been up to today?
So when we try and get tracking shots with the drone when we're driving the bus, I'll always jump in the passenger seat and Chantelle will drive. But when we was in France, she didn't like driving on the other side of the road. She had a bit of a paddy. In fact, I'll show you what happened. Oh babe, look at that bridge. Let's get a drone shot of that. Do we really need that shot, James? Yes, babe. Because if we get that attitude, then we won't even have a video together. Really? Get your arse in this seat. Right, you coming through?
Do you have to put a vape bar in?
Yeah!
Why? To the office.
To the office. Welcome all of you to the Gallivanting Whip Drone School. In front of you, you'll see some course notes. And if you can write on this piece of paper your name, any questions, please just put your hand up. We'll do our best to answer it here, there and then. But this course should cover as much as you need to do droning for YouTube. With us?
I'm with you.
Still with us?
Let's go.
Good. So I just want to go through some of the facilities here today. There's no fire alarm test today. So if there's a fire alarm, please make your way to the exits. There's exit at the back, exit at the front. Tea and biscuits are provided, and we also provide lunch. Okay.
What's the lunch, please?
You'll find out when it comes out. And just down the corridor, we do have toilets at your request.
Lovely, thank you.
But you do have to empty it after you use it. You'll find it's very weird, yeah. So the itinerary for the course, go through the theory, we have a break for lunch, and then we do a bit of practical. So, lesson 1. Do not fly near Rip the Drip.
Very good.
Drone in front of you. Please take out our new drone.
How long does the battery last then?
We'll get there. We'll get there.
Well, you said to me if I have
Yeah, great question. Great question.
Can you answer
but it's
it?
our next point. You can be taking course notes if you want. You don't have to, but there is a test at the end. No, I'm joking. There isn't. Batteries roughly covered. Next slide. Now we're going to look at the controller. Press that button. It'll automatically fly back to you. Are you still with us?
Yeah, yeah.
Are you still with us, Chantelle?
Yes, I am.
I know it's a lot to take in.
That's fine.
Okay, next screen.
I'm going to take off.
Don't worry, that's coming. You jump in the gun, yeah, you jump in the gun. Okay, altitude. Up, down. Let's go up and let go and it'll stay there.
Okay.
Just hovers.
Yep.
I want to come down. Let's bring it down. Let go. Hovers. Now if you put that right or left, spin. That's called yaw. Forward and back is pitch. So forward, back, as per the controller. This is only if the drone is facing away from you. When the drone is facing you, it's a different story. And that's your roll. So I'll roll it right, or I'll roll it left. Yeah. Now the problem is when it's pointing towards you, if you go right on the stick, you go in left as you're looking at it.
Yeah.
And if you go left, it goes right. So it's backwards. Okay, so the drone itself. So as you can see, the warning stickers. Do not fly near Rip the Drip. Okay.
Okay, cool. You
Okay.
fine now?
No. Next slide. Takeoff procedure. So check your batteries. Is check your surroundings. So overhead lines, that's really important. Trees, and obviously wind. 24 miles per hour max. So remove the gimbal protector. I've lost mine, but there was a protector you just pop off. It is here somewhere. It's in the bus here somewhere.
So I'm not taking blame if it breaks.
No, you probably hit it. And so unfold the arms. So turn on drone, you know how to do that. Turn on the controller, you know how to do that. Await the satellites, and then you'll get a noise. Home point updated. Yeah. You know then you're good to take off. Next one is secure Rip. Make sure Rip is secured. It's in the camera on, you press record.
Right. Ah, good job you said that, because I just automatically think that it was on.
Yes. It isn't. Now when we're filming, specifically when we're filming for YouTube, we like to get probably like 5 seconds worth.
Are you joking me? What the hell is all that?
Oh yeah, we'll explain that now.
Jesus Christ. All I want to do is get up the air at least.
Yeah, but there's no...
Chase, flyby, lateral, establish, orbit and elevator.
These are examples. Yeah, no, it sounds bad. But you can't just plonk it in the air and let it sit there and press record.
Well no, because I'm going to move it and I'm just going to fly it first.
What type of moves can you get? But the whole point of getting a drone in the air is to record video. So I think we're coming to the end now. Okay. You sure you want a cup of tea or a beer or?
No, I want some hay fever tablets, please. If
tablets.
You got
I think we do actually. I'll go check the kitchen. It takes off by itself, lands by itself. You got to fly. It does fly itself once you go into another level. I think that's all the practical done. Now let's have some lunch. Hungry?
No, I'm okay, thank you.
I am.
Oh.
Lunch.
Ta-da!
Are we ready to fly?
Yeah, we're ready to fly the drone, baby.
Take it on.
Good.
The orbital shot's the best to learn. So that's it. So yeah, that's good. That's a nice shot. Altitude and back at the same time.
Up and back.
So come back and then up at the same time. And then try and keep the bus in them crosshairs. Perfect. Yeah, I can get used to this, Chantelle. I can get used to this. That's a good point. If there's any helicopters or planes in the sky, get the drone down straight away, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's perfectly looking down.
Oh,
it's good to get
spins me out a bit.
get shots like going across campsites and looking straight down. You see the bus come up now. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Look at that. See, oh, there's no tree behind us. But you should have maintained that shot all the way across until the bus comes in a shot and goes out the shot. Can you hear that in the sky?
I know, I can hear it.
Where is it? Don't forget to stop recording as well. You stop recording?
Yeah.
Now you can bring it down. Nice and gentle on the controls. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Gentle.
Do I grab it?
No, don't ever grab it. Go on and down then. So hold down now or press the land button.
Where's the land button?
The same as the take off button.
Do I just land it, what, when it's on the floor or put it onto the floor?
You can't land it if it's already on the floor. Press the land button. Now hold it. I let go now.
Hey, I just literally put... James, when you made the first step over here, I literally just put my hand on. It's beeping because it's low battery.
Yeah, so if that beeping carried on going, you'll get to the point where you're like, right, I'm returning to home now. You have to cancel it and fly home manually or it'll just come home automatically. Well done. High five.
I think
nervous?
I'm fine, but I think you just got to have a little bit more patience. Get your hand off that button. I literally just put it on as you were coming over to me.
No, because you did that on takeoff.
No, I didn't.
You held the button, but you didn't let go.
You told me to hold it.
Yeah, but then you've got also a button, you've got to let go of the button.
Yeah, I held it for like 2 seconds.
I question that.
You've got to have a little bit more patience, you do.
Well done, babe.
Thank you.
Proud of you.
Proud of myself. That was quite fun. Really fun. I think obviously it's more than just flying the drone, isn't it? You've got to think about like the arty-farty shots and
Type of
like
shot,
that.
yeah. Type of shot and
Yeah.
try and get the whole vibe of where we're stopping, like, you know. And
Up, down, left, right. Get used to that in time.
yeah, as long as the drone's pointing away from you, you're fine. You're fine.
Lesson 1, success, I
Yeah.
think.
So it's the first time Chantelle uses a drone in one of our vlogs. I'll make sure we'll mention it.
Well, no, they'll know. If it's a
We'll
shit
put-
shot, they know it's me.
We just point at the sky.
Just put a learner in the corner
Yeah,
of the screen.
I'll
an
put a
L
learner
plate,
badge. Yeah, we'll do.
So when this video comes out, it'll be a week away from Vanlife Festival, wouldn't it?
It will.
A week before.
It'll be weekend before, the Monday before Vanlife. So if you're going to Vanlife,
Give
drop
us
us
a
a
shout
message.
and we'll meet up and have a little chit chat,
Yeah.
catch up.
If you don't do Instagram, drop us an email. And we're literally going there on our own. We at the minute, we don't know anyone going really. Right, thanks for watching. Chantelle said I can wear this later. And we'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.